my name is Sanya Sheikh and I am from Mumbai. I am currently studying in 10th grade and I have an interest in arts. So my project is Ujala, creating gender equality in every household. So I personally face a lot of gender discrimination at my home because I have belonged to an underprivileged community. So the women are very kept in a conservative environment. After just passing, even when they complete their menstruation, then after 1 or 2 years, then they get just married. So to break all those norms and all those conditions, I am working towards gender equality. So currently I'm taking sessions in my secondary school, which involves 9th graders and 10th graders of 3 school classes. So I always take sessions at in Saturday. I give them 1 hour to create just awareness about and tell them stories about inspiring women and takes initiatives. And I appoint a parent teacher meeting. So parents are also the stakeholders. Why also belongs to have gender equality. They started from here. So I take sessions with my parents and mostly with males fathers. So because I think my father personally had do a lot of discrimination between me. So I just take sessions and I do a lot of street plays and I write poems on social issues. And I personally wrote a poem and we perform at a sangam. So it's a culture fest where it's a city-wide culture fest where it was organized by students to showcase their talent. So we perform a play on women's empowerment. So persuading was the biggest problem I used to face. We need for bigger change, we need to just convince people, and convincing people was the biggest problem which I faced because I don't communicate with people very easily. So I used to face a lot of difficulties in convincing people. And the second problem which I used to face is managing studies and running this project. And the third is finding solutions or building up new ways to just create a better place. I have started from 10th grade, so now it's my 10th grade. I will be going to give my 10th board exam. So it's more than 6 months I have given it. So I took sessions in classes. So more than 150 plus students get aware about it and eliminated their biased perspective towards gender. And I also involve LGBTQs, creating more awareness about it. And now I'm here because I create awareness from my parents, create awareness to my parents. Otherwise I will be at home only studying, doing some kitchen work. So that was one big improvement. And also let's make aware of my community people. So not just my family, not just my students family, but also my community. We don't only face one problem. So there are several problems which I want to make, so which I want to find solution. So here people are doing a lot of problems and a lot of projects and have different solutions and they have worked towards it. So I would like to take their experiences, their solutions, their problems, and I would like to improve it and make it done. I want to just have started in Maharashtra, in from my schools, and I have reached it to 2 different schools Shankawadi, Haidri, and lot of more. So I would like to take it in a next level, taking it to village, because villages have lot of biased perspective and have very are very narrow minded. So I would like to take up there.